Today I'm going to talk about 5 reasons I didn't go for iPhone 11. Number 1. Design. Apple is using the same design for past 3 years. The same notch. Not everyone likes it, and companies like Samsung came out with S10 with a cutout design, and iPhone is still with notch. OnePlus came with the no notch design and the teardrop display. Even every manufacturer coming with teardrop display right now. So yeah, the design feels a little dated. If you look at Note 10 and S11 is coming with a centralized cutout, it's a very small cutout. So yes, design is one of the reasons I didn't go for iPhone. Second reason is display. iPhone 11 and iPhone 10 are having the same display like people talk about. It's not even full HD. It's not bad. It's not good. And if I talk about iPhone 11 Pro display or Pro Max, the displays are great. They're using the technology called XDR, which is extreme dynamic range, which can go up to 1200 nits if you're watching HDR content. But the thing is, companies like OnePlus Pixels are coming with 90Hz display. Asus ROG2 came with 120Hz display. The same concern I had with Note 10. I mean, coming this late this year, coming with 60Hz display, I think it doesn't make sense. I think you should upgrade. So just wait for S11. It's gonna come with 120Hz as rumored. Third reason is storage. iPhone, even Pixels start with 64 GB base storage, which doesn't make sense. So Note 10 came with 256 GB. Note 10 Plus comes with 256 plus expandable storage, and iPhone is just sticking with 64 base. So yeah, storage is another problem. The fourth reason is USB-C. Yes, USB-C. Everyone is waiting for USB-C in iPhone, but still Lightning. So after coming from iPad Pro, I've used iPad Pro for some time, and with USB-C, I mean, it's very convenient. Even MacBook Pro, iPhone, iPad Pro, and every other devices are using USB-C, but iPhone Lightning, and I'm not expecting a USB-C in iPhone 12 as well. Fifth, and the main reason is price. In US, pricing is $699 for iPhone 11, $999 for iPhone 11 Pro, $1,100 for iPhone 11 Pro Max. But in India, after the duty, iPhone 11 comes with 64,900, iPhone 11 Pro comes with 99,900, and iPhone 11 Pro Max comes with 1,09,900, which is huge for 64 GB base storage. So yeah, pricing is my main concern. I mean, iPhone is great for cameras. If you're looking for just a camera device, iPhone is the best camera right now, the most versatile, and the best video. I mean, in a smartphone, iPhone is great. But that's it. That's all about it. I mean, everything is stated other than camera. So yes, I don't use camera that much. I mean, it's okay sometimes, occasionally, but for camera, paying approximately 1 lakh for a device like that, it's a no-brainer for me. So yeah, I'm waiting for S11. It's gonna come with 120Hz display, 108 megapixel camera, and 8K recording. So yes, so that's it. These are the 5 reasons I didn't go for iPhone 11. I'm just starting this new channel. My name is Rohit. Please share, like, subscribe, however you can help me. Have a great day, guys.